How to pretend you're a design genius. Number 1. Hide your text behind objects. It adds depth. It makes your subject pop. Perfect for product marketing. You might think this takes attention away from the headline. Wrong. Hiding the text just a little makes you curious. It feels clever, intentional, and way more premium than just dropping text on a photo. Number 2. Use realistic shadows. Shadows aren't just drop shadows anymore. Now they act like real light. Look at daylight computer, soft gradients, ambient glow, shadows that feel totally natural. It doesn't scream design. It just feels good. Or check Apollonaz. The whole site plays with light direction and contrast. Cinematic, like a product photo shoot turned into a website. That's what modern shadows do. Number 3, use one color, one bold color, big text, nothing else. Instantly premium, and clients love it. They'll say it looks clean. They'll say it looks modern, but really, it's just one color. Apple has been doing this for years. One color, centered headline. Tons of white space. It works because it feels intentional. Number 4, fill your text with images or gradients. Can't find the right color? Then don't. Mask the text, use a photo, a texture, a grainy film look. The higher the contrast, the more premium it feels. Number 5, show a group of designs, never just one, show 3 or 5. Same style, different layouts. That's called visual harmony. Suddenly, Shine tells it feels like a system, not just a single screen. Clients love options. It makes your work look complete, even if you pulled it together in 20 minutes. And that is how to pretend you're a design genius.